My name is Rick Smith. I'm the product manager for Micro Focus Fortify WebInspect and WebInspect Enterprise. In this brief video, I'll walk you through preparing a Windows Server 2016 machine for use with our newly released Containerized WebInspect. In a subsequent video, I'll walk you through using our Dockerized WebInspect to scan your applications either via the API or the CLI. First, a few notes. The containerized version of WebInspect supports a concurrent license. That means you must have a LIM server with available WebInspect concurrent licenses. Second, the Dockerized version of WebInspect requires a Windows host operating system. Third, our Docker repository is private. For access, email the address shown with your subscription ID and your concurrent WebInspect token. Finally, the full WebInspect on Docker guide can be found at our documentation site shown here in blue. Now let's get started. First, we'll make sure that the container Windows feature is enabled. To do this, go to Programs and Features, then Add Roles or Features, then add the Container feature. Click Next. Windows may need to restart to install the feature. Once restarted, there are three components that we'll install to finish. First, we'll install the NuGet Provider. Second, we'll install a module, the DockerMsftProvider module. And then third, we'll install the DockerMsftProvider package. Now that the container feature has completed installing, let's open an administrator elevated PowerShell prompt, and we'll install the NuGet Provider first. As you can see, the NuGet Provider installs very quickly. Next, we'll move on to install the DockerMsftProvider module. Here I have a typo in the repository name, so I'll go back and correct that typo. Again, that installs quickly, and so we'll round out the installation by installing the DockerMsftProvider install package. Again, this downloads quickly, and we've got Docker installed and ready to go. By entering the Docker command, you can see the commands that are available. Before pulling down a container, we'll need to make sure that the Docker engine service is running. If you go to Start Run and type services.msc, you can scroll through the list of services and start the Docker engine. Once that Docker engine is started, we're ready to go ahead and pull the WebInspect container. We'll issue a Docker login command to log into Docker Hub with the credentials that have access to our Fortify Docker repository. From there, we'll do a Docker pull, Fortify Docker/WebInspect:/latest. This will pull the latest WebInspect build available on our Docker repo. Once the download completes, you're ready to start scanning using the WebInspect container. For a quick tutorial on using the container to scan both via the API and via the CLI, check out our video titled Scanning with WebInspect in a Container. Thank you.